Everyone knows this painting, but almost no one sees this. Look at her smile. Is she happy or hiding something? For over 500 years, people have argued about one thing. Why does her expression keep changing? Sometimes she looks calm, sometimes almost unsettling. And that's not an accident. Leonardo da Vinci used a technique called sfumato. It blurs the edges, so your brain can't lock the expression. Your eyes constantly adjust, and every time they do, her face changes. But here's something most people miss. Look behind her. The horizon lines don't match. One side is higher than the other, which subtly tilts her face, depending on where you look. So your brain is being manipulated without you even noticing. This isn't just a portrait, it's a psychological illusion. So next time you look at her, ask yourself, is she smiling at you or at something you can't see? And now, you'll never see her the same again. Discover the full truth on my channel. Subscribe now.